Are you famous? Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Pig that needs to go on a diet. How about your best friend the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. How about a knock at the door? Can you get down? Can you sing in the shower? Good. How about a fiesta? Good. Einstein, are we in trouble? How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Is it dusty? Good. Would you like to ride the roller coaster? Is it hard work? Yeah. Whisper. Scary ghost. You do a scary ghost. Can you